welcome to my channel. I'm Ada, and this is Cedric.
It's a me.
If you have been here before, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome, welcome. Today we're doing a first impression of the infant car seat that we bought for our baby that is due in November. So we're going to show it to you.
Oh yeah, and we are super excited.
We are super excited. So here we go. Alright, so this is the box. It says Nuna Pipa. And this is how it came in the mail. It came just open like this so that, you know, whatever, people can see what you got, but whatever. Alright, so now we're going to open it.
Yes. We will now take off the lid and see what the contents are.
Whole lot of cardboard.
Whole lot of cardboard.
We did order this from Dillard's because they were the only place that had it in stock in the color that we wanted.
Okay, that's not gonna work.
This is what it looks like. Honestly, feels very nice. Little infant insert.
Here we go.
Oh, I didn't pull that off. Has little shoulder pads here. So these are nice, otherwise the straps rub their neck. This I will say, these are not my favorites type of car seats. I much prefer the type of car seat that is the auto adjusting one, but it is what it is. This one we actually chose because it has this nice, you know, little visor that flips out, and it does have the UV protection on it. This right here is basically the reason that we got this one, is because the Dream Drape, it is zipped into the canopy and you just unzip it, pull it out, and it's got magnets
right here
in that spot, so when you pull the Dream Drape out, it just magnets to there. And it's cool because it has this mesh side so you can still see baby and for ventilation.
Yes.
And then right here it has the little peekaboo window so you can look down and see baby inside of there. It does have this really nice kind of handle, and then the faux leather little handle grip that says Nuna on it. Very nice. I think this is the one that's around like 7 pounds. It is probably, I believe it is their heaviest one, but again, we went with this one because it was the one that had the color we wanted in stock. We were going to go with the Nuna Pipa RX, but this one is fine as well.
Yes.
And then this is how the Dream Drape gets tucked back into the canopy.
There we go.
So it has the European belt path right here. And then if you turn around to the back, and then back here, where you can run the seatbelt through and you don't need to have the base with it. Which is another reason we went with this one, because some of their other models of the Nuna Pipa, you have to use the base with it. You can't use it without the base. This is the base that came with it. It says Nuna, and it has this little thing right here where you release the car seat when you're taking it out. Has the little bubble level, which is, I feel, typical in most car seats or bases. From what I have read, you can use this particular car seat with both the latch system and the seatbelt at the same time, which is pretty cool. It does have the rigid latch, which is supposed to make it super fast to install into your car, because you just take these and stuff them into the latch hooks. You don't have to pull anything to get it adjusted. This is where you would run the seatbelt through. You put it through here, run it through there, and then this, you push it down to lock the seatbelt in, and then you're good to go. Shows you right here how to use the belt lock off. And it has a handy base installation guide written right on it. And then, oh, it does have a load leg, so we'll pull that out and show that to you guys. Here is the load leg. It is underneath of it. Oh,
sorry.
Threw cardboard at me.
Yep. Here we go.
So I've never used a car seat with a load leg, so I'm not even going to pretend like I have any idea
what's going on.
yeah, what's going on with that, how to use it, because the car seats that my other two children had, like, you know, 7, almost 8 years ago, yeah, they didn't have a load leg. But yeah, it's supposed to, from what I read, it's supposed to help reduce the, like, if you get in a car accident, it's supposed to help reduce the impact to the car seat and keep the car seat stable.
Yep.
That's the general gist that I got from it. But it does have a load leg, so if you're looking for an infant car seat that has a load leg to the base, this one does have one. We did not know, by the way, when we purchased this here lovely car seat, that it was only compatible with
the brand.
With the Nuna strollers. So we are currently on a quest for a Nuna stroller because we did not realize that, and upon research, they're actually pretty expensive, but what can you do? The cool thing about these is if you're looking for a car seat that does not have any type of flame retardant chemicals on it, this one is free of flame retardant chemicals, but it does have fire resistance. So how do you feel about this car seat?
Well, for one, I mean, from a cosmetic standpoint, we really like it, and I mean, I personally like it as well. It looks very, you know, modern, but not like crazy, you know, like pop in your face. It's just really nice. And then from a practical standpoint, it seems very stable, very durable, I guess is another word I would use. You know, the handle feels really nice and
I'd say quality.
strong. Yeah, definitely. You definitely feel like you're getting quality in the product. And I mean, of course, you definitely want that when, you know, you got to carry a baby around. So,
yes.
No, overall, you know, still learning some of its features and stuff, but definitely really excited to use it, and glad that we were actually able to get the one that we wanted. And of course, you know, always a plus to just get the color you want for cosmetic reasons.
Indeed.
Yeah.
And this one is their granite color.
Yes.
We went with this
Very
over.
sleek.
Yeah, we went with this over like the caviar, which is like basically black.
Yeah.
Just all black. We just like this color more. And I mean, it is definitely something that is on more of the pricey side. I believe that we paid, how much did we end up paying for it? I think it was like $350.
Yeah, something like that.
I think it was around $350 or something from Dillard's. But it was totally worth it, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
Because it looks very nice. It looks very, very quality of an item.
I mean, and just you know, again, just really touching back on like the security of it. You know, when you sit there and you look at it and you look at all of the buckles and everything, it definitely just feels really safe. Like, you know, I mean, you know, I know, especially like kind of thinking back to just some of the car seats that, you know, I was in as a kid. I was like, man, I wish I had some of these safety features growing up, and I'm sure there's plenty of you guys out there that can relate to that. But you know, it's just really nice. Overall feels very nice. We're really hoping that that baby enjoys it as well. But yeah, no, we're really excited. We're really happy with what we got, and definitely can't wait to have it in use. And hopefully we get our stroller really quick so that way we can you know,
yeah.
keep the smoothness, you know.